Hello from the Magic Tropical Splash Hotel on the outskirts of Benidorm. We're here and we're going to take you for a little tour around the hotel because we've looked online and there isn't actually any tours, so we thought what a better thing to do than do a whole hotel tour of the place. We only got here yesterday early afternoon, but we sort of know our way around already. Right before this video we went into the spa down here, so we're going to go give that a little look in now. We also got the Pirates Tavern, which I believe is it's the a la carte restaurant, maybe. Don't quote on it, but I think it might be. So let's just go through in now. Yeah, Pirates Tavern. Lives up to the name. Go in. We're not going to go in, but it looks a little bit like a little pub, really. It's a tavern, isn't it? So yeah, you've got the price list here. You've got it in English and Spanish, obviously. A lot of things. But obviously we're in Spain, but like, yeah, so we got the health spa and massage, that's where we are, the spa and gym, the fountain of youth. You got the price list there too. So we're gonna go have a look and we've got to be very quiet in here. But I mean, from walking in straight away, you've got a lift here, so there's a lot of lifts around, but we'll get into that a bit later on. But this is free to use as well. You don't have to book it or anything, just walk down. You've got the gym, you've also got the spa, which obviously you do have to book and pay for. Yeah, so the bathrooms there, this is reception. And obviously, if there's no one here, because they're doing a massage. Right, showers as well, I believe, and the fitness. I'm just going. Look at me now. As you can see, it's not overly massive. I mean, you've got your machine, treadmill, 2 dumbbells, cycling bike, and then a couple of them. So, I mean, it's very active as well. It's about 80 degrees in here right now, 1-8. So, I mean, it's not the worst gym I've seen in a hotel, but it's certainly not the best. Right, let's get out of here and let's get into the main resort. So like I said, we only got here, when did we get here? Yesterday afternoon, wasn't it? Got a very early flight to Alicante. It's about half an hour on the shared bus, half an hour 45, sometimes an hour, I'm guessing because of traffic.
The drop-offs.
Over here. We were the first drop-off, and we were what you always do on the first drop-offs because we're on the outskirts of Benidorm. It's not actually in central Benidorm. But yeah. What would you say, Ollie, so far? I'd say the hotel's very clean, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very clean. And then
that's the little water park that we're going to go on to.
Lot of good slides there. Good quality.
Exactly.
So
we walk in, and on the right hand side you've got the reception desk there. On here you've got all of the they tell you all the activities that are going on, and we're going to go down there a bit later on. But for now, we're going to go out to the little water park bit. And by the way, let me just show you the size of that tower. There's 4 of them, 22 floors. So if you're afraid of heights, maybe contact them in advance about your room.
there's never really big queues for any of the slides.
There isn't, no, it's very...
like compared to normal water parks, it's not big at all.
And we've got...
Maximum 5.
Let's go around here and I'll show you. Obviously we're not going to go on the slides, but we've got a drop slide there. Base slide before here, you can see here, it's going very quick. Up there you've got a tunnel slide, a boomerang slide, that's my favourite, that one, and a couple more slides down there. Highly recommend it. You've got to be careful, it's quite slippery. If you out of the way,
Oh, Zav, don't get splashed! Oh, flip. Is the camera wet?
Camera is alright.
Oh, the mic.
You can still hear me.
The mic is.
Hopefully. right, down here, down the other side, we've got these open certain parts. Right now you've got the ice cream bit open.
There's a bar at the water park as
There's a
well.
little bar that serves in there. You've got ice cream, and then
Crap.
that opens from 3 to 5, the ice cream. And then 5:30 to 7:30 at night, you've got the waffle truck. And I have to say, yesterday they were really nice, weren't they?
Yeah.
I think we've got
All of
5 flavours. There's flavours to pick from. Obviously, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, and then pistachio, coffee. I think that's it. So, yeah, we're going to carry on walking down. We're going to the main pool now. I really hope you can hear me after that splash on the mic. So as you can see, we're here. It's summer holidays. Basically, I think it will be full capacity. So you've got a lot of sun lounges, yeah. And then she'll show you up here first. Up these stairs here, you have, it's a bit of a private bit away. It is adults only, and it's 10 AM to 7 PM. Be okay, we're just gonna show it. So you've got a jacuzzi up here along with all of these beds. It's actually empty up here. The little, yeah. And you've got there's a bar up here along with a jacuzzi in the nice sunshine. And we're gonna take you back down now. We'll get a little view of this. I mean, the pool is massive. Massive pool, and it goes shallow in places and deep, so no matter how tall or small you are going to stand up in some point. There's a swim up bar there. Yeah. And you've got, yeah, so this is the main pool here, and you've got these screens. You've got that one, and there's one on the other side, and they just show bits. Entertainment here is great for them. The kids area, we'll show you to that in a minute, but that is the swim up bar there. We're going to go through the lifeguards and look at us for films. We don't know if we're going to get told off here. So we're not going to go over, but there are more slides over there, which are amazing. There's about a few over there, and there's some for like toddlers and all of that as well. Another hot tub bit here. Everything is Astro, so your feet do get quite hot, but it is very good. We're gonna walk around here now, and yeah, so there's just more sun lounges, and you've got another swim up bit there that goes towards the bar. In the middle, it is the deepest, and I think it's about 6 foot deep, 2 meters, I believe.
But in some areas it is shallow.
Exactly. And over here in the day you've got all these sun lounges, but at night time there are chairs here, and this is the outdoor entertainment out here. I've not actually been out here to see any yet, because last night I was up since 2 in the morning, so I went straight to bed. But we're gonna go indoors now.
They do a different sort of show every night.
They do?
Last night it was Disney.
Right, so you've got one of the bars here, and at the back there is you have water station. It just fills it up. It's 24 hours. You come down here, just more seating. Bars are really nice, staff are really friendly, all of that. Right, from 9:30 to 10:30 you've got La Tienda de Splash, which is just a little shop. You've got some souvenirs and crisps and that, although you actually do get crisps if you ask, and they put them on a plate for you. Couple vendor machines, not too sure why, because everything's all inclusive, but I suppose if you need any of them bits, you got them there. Exactly.
Well, you're uploading now on YouTube.
YouTube, yes.
I just wanted to say hi to them.
Hello, say hello to it.
Hello.
Yeah, legend. See you later. Hope you watched it. If you're watching this, give it a thumbs up. No, so you've got the excursions desk here along with another bar. And then I'm going to show you to the lifts now, and they do get very, very busy.
There's a little candy.
There is for €5. I'm not sure who would want to do it, but there is a candy floss machine here. and it makes it for you like that. But like I say, in €5, it's
So there's a
a
game
bit steep.
which we'll show you a bit later in the video. But there's this little
At night time, they do VR here, which is quite cool.
upside down.
Ooh, yeah, not for me after dinner, I'll tell you that.
After dinner.
Oh, we haven't gone in the snack bar yet. Yeah, we haven't gone in the snack bar either. Through there, we might try getting after, but they basically do. It's actually the Italian restaurant, which is the a la carte, and you book it on the app. But yeah, but at lunchtime you've got burgers, chips, hot dogs, all of that sort of stuff, snacky sort of bits. What else is there? There's 4 torres, which are towers. And you have to get the lifts up because, like I said, 22 floors. But I mean, this lift's at 5, this one's at 1. Yeah, let's go down to the restaurant. But just be mindful around busy times. The what is it? The lifts get very busy, don't they? Oh, they're
Oh yeah, the lifts
closed
do
now.
get busy, but it's a bit of a workout to climb up this.
What is the time then? There's your timings, by the way, for this, the main buffet. Obviously, no, you have to wear a shirt and don't be barefoot. That's a shame, but through there, so many seats.
Bunch of choices of food.
So many food choices, exactly. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure you'll find that somewhere, the food, but you've got the game experience and the Disco Tulum, which is down here. Disco Tulum is the indoor bit for entertainment. It is this way, yeah. And you've also got toilets down here on your left, right there. We decided to come down the ramp, we could have done the stairs. But I guess this is shut up now, this is Disco Tulum, and tonight we have Joking at 10 o'clock.
Joking, yeah. There's a bunch of other music going on in there.
Exactly.
Same as the outdoor entertainment.
Where else haven't we been then? We've done, obviously the rooms. I mean, we can go up to the 22nd floor and we get a view to show you guys how high it actually is. So let's go do that. And obviously we can't get into the buffet right now because they've shut. Pardon?
Then you get a wristband, didn't you?
Oh, the wristbands, yeah. Let me show you. So, kids wristband, everyone's got a green one unless you're all-inclusive plus. And I've got a blue one on the top. Or a day pass, because you can do that here. Game experience.
I think
It's downstairs, yeah, but it's all shut up and dark now, so you wouldn't see anything anyway.
so you could, I think it's like €5 per hour.
Yeah.
Game experience.
And they've got all sorts, yeah.
They've got arcade machines and everything. It's great. We haven't been able to.
I think your mic started earlier.
It's lighting up.
Oh well. If it's died, you can still hear it through mine.
Yeah.
Do apologise about that. Right, let's get in this lift here. You have to tap your wristband. There we go. We're gonna go to the 22nd floor. Show how high it is. Well, there will be something. So
This lift goes.
yeah, that's what I mean. The lifts do take a while, and to be honest, for a hotel this big, this amount of people, you would expect a few more, but they do work fine and they're quick. They're not very old, slow ones. So we're gonna wait for that. We'll put the video on pause. We'll be back with you when we're in the lift. Right, so after the lifts, there isn't actually any balconies here because we're so high up. But I mean, you got that view there, and that is saying something for a hotel. 23rd floor we're on now. You have to walk up. The lift didn't come up here. I mean, it's massive up here, isn't it? You can see all of these you see in the bus on the way to the hotel from Alicante Airport. But
It's unreal how
it is, it's crazy. 23 floors. I mean, there is stairs if anyone fancies it, but it's so hot in here as well. I probably wouldn't recommend it.
We struggled going to the 10th floor.
We did,
Let alone 20th.
exactly. But what did you say about the kids thing earlier? Around the corner by the other slides by the main pool.
Yeah, because by the main pool there's still kids slides, but there's a separate section for it's got a bunch of kids slides,
Yeah.
toys in the water and stuff. So I'd recommend that for any little.
Yeah, well, that's basically it for this hotel then. But we hope you found this video useful. We'd really appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up. Maybe you can subscribe. We've got a few other hotel tours on there if you're ever planning a visit to any of them hotels. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we hope you enjoy your stay if you're coming here, and we highly recommend it if you're thinking about coming here.